In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on Windows 11, step by step, completely free. If you've been looking for a simple way to install CapCut on your PC so you can start editing videos fast, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from opening your browser to launching the app for the first time. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open your web browser on your Windows 11 computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. Once your browser is open, go to the official CapCut desktop video editor page by typing in the website address capcut.com/tools/desktop-video-editor. Make sure you use the official CapCut website so you're downloading the correct installer and not a third-party version. After the page loads, look for the Download for Free button. This is the main button you need to start the Windows download process. Click Download for Free, and your browser should begin downloading the CapCut installer file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear in the Downloads bar at the bottom, or in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded installer. You can do this by clicking the file directly from your browser, or by opening File Explorer and going to your Downloads folder. When the installer opens, Windows may ask you for permission to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. After that, you'll see the CapCut setup window. Click Install and let the installation finish. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and your computer performance. While the app is installing, it's best to wait until the progress bar is complete and avoid closing the window early. Once the installation is finished, you can launch CapCut right away. If prompted, sign into your CapCut account or use an available login option to get started. Signing in may help you sync your projects, access cloud features, and continue editing across devices. And that's it. CapCut is now installed on your Windows 11 computer and ready to use. From here, you can start creating videos, editing clips, adding text, and exploring all the features CapCut has to offer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.